Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how the universe began? It's a question that has plagued mankind for centuries. What came first, the chicken or the universe? Well, scientists have put together a pretty good picture of how the universe began with the Big Bang theory. But there are still a lot of unanswered questions. The first elements were hydrogen and helium, which formed from clouds of gas that collapsed in on themselves due to gravity. These clouds of gas also contained other elements, but they were in much smaller quantities. Unfortunately, science doesn't have a definitive answer to this question. There are many theories, but no one knows for sure. If the Big Bang was the result of a collision between two universes, then it's possible that our universe is not the only one that exists. In fact, scientists believe that there could be an infinite number of universes, each with its own unique laws of physics and constants. According to the laws of thermodynamics, entropy wins every time. Eventually, our universe will run out of energy and everything will be evenly distributed. Stars will die out, black holes will evaporate, and the universe will reach a state of maximum entropy. But that doesn't mean that the universe will be boring. Even in the heat-death scenario, there will still be a lot of energy left in the universe. And according to some scientists, this energy could be used to create new universes. This process is known as the heat death of the universe, and it's one of the most exciting possibilities for the ultimate fate of our universe. These elements form the building blocks of the stars, planets, and galaxies that we see around us today. The universe is big and complex, and we are still learning about it. We don't know exactly how it began, but we do know that the universe is constantly changing and evolving. Whether our universe is the only one that exists or just one of many, we are truly lucky to be alive at a time when the conditions are just right for life to flourish. Just think about it. If the universe began with a Big Bang and ended with a heat death, then our lives are like a cosmic heartbeat, a brief moment of activity in an otherwise vast and empty darkness. But it is during this brief moment that we have the opportunity to learn about the universe and our place in it. So let's make the most of it. While other universes may exist, ours is the only one that we know of that contains life. And while there may be other universes with similar laws of physics, there is no guarantee that they will be the same. Each universe is like a snowflake, beautiful and unique in its own way. Let's start with what we do know. About 13.8 billion years ago, all the matter in the universe was compressed into an extremely hot, dense singularity. Scientists don't really know what this matter was, but it contained all the matter and energy that makes up our world today. Stars formed and exploded, creating heavier elements that were later incorporated into new stars and planets. Galaxies formed and collided, shaping the universe into the form we see today. And somewhere in this vast universe, life began to emerge. At some point, this singularity began to expand rapidly, and we call this period the Big Bang. During the Big Bang, the universe went from being smaller than an atom to larger than we can even fathom in just a fraction of a second. This expansion continues to this day. As the universe expanded, it cooled, allowing matter to begin forming. After the Big Bang, the universe entered a period of rapid change and development. But how did the Big Bang happen? What caused the initial expansion that led to the creation of the universe as we know it? One theory is that the Big Bang was caused by a quantum fluctuation in a pre-existing void. In this scenario, the universe as we know it popped into existence out of nothing. Another theory is that the Big Bang was the result of a collision between two universes. This would explain why the universe is expanding today. If the collision caused a ripple effect that continues to spread throughout the universe, making it grow bigger. But what if there was more than one universe? So what does this mean for us? If we live in a multiverse, does the discovery of other universes mean that our universe is less special? Not necessarily. What about the heat death of the universe? So what can we take away from all of this?